Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn accordion. So first we learn how this will work. Further we will discuss upon the code. So if I click upon this accordion.item1, so we can see that I simply write lorem 23. So we can see that if I click it will gone. If I click on item 2 and it will gone, and same goes for item 3. In this video we are going to learn how to make this. It is an very easy. So I am opening my VS Code. So I open my VS Code. So first I am opening index.html. This is HTML code. So I will show you this how look like. So I did not apply any CSS and further any JavaScript. This is a simple HTML code, very easy. I believe that everyone can do this. So here is a I started from class child to child 1, child 2, child 3, child 4. It goes on continue up to child 12. I given child name according to order wise, so you can see that. Now I'm applying CSS. So let us see the what are the changes happens. Okay. um, so first I'm applying child is an parentive. So when I applied child, we can see that these are the changes. So first borderline is applied. Now I'm copying it. So now I'm removing. So basically I applied a display flex on this property and justify space around it. You can see this, this is child 2 contain 2 item. I applied flex so that it will move together. I given justify content space around, and I am going and I remove this. So another line is came again. If I like that, okay, you can see that this line have got margin -10, and you can see that there is cursor. This is not in a pointer. So finally I will do it as a cursor pointed. So this is the I explained it how to apply CSS. It is very easy. Now we will move on to very important section, that is JavaScript section. So JavaScript section is also very easy. So now let us deeply understand how to do this. So first you can see that I will show you properly. Okay, this is the JavaScript section. I will show you properly, and I will also open index. So this is the lorem 23. On pressing the child 1, this will appear. So I given a class of child 4. Basically first I select it, right click. There is an option called command plate. Select and click on join lines. So you can see that I will word wrap it. So basically it has came like this. Now erase it. So erase the all the section of this lorem 23. I'm going to erase it. Okay, I have erased the all the lorem 23 section. Now we can see script. So I have copied it and name it as let I have given a variable p and paste it in here. I will toggle word wrap. Okay, we can see that. Now first thing I will show you here. Here we can see that there is a first line called document.querySelector.child1 add event listener click first line. Here is a first line is an function. So basically when I will show you index.html. So this is child1. Child1 runs up to here. So when I click on child1, so basically first line function will be what? Start. So this is the first line function. This is the first line function. When I clicked it, so what will happen? Function line function start. Okay. First it will see, okay, let p. This is the copy paste we have done. First it will see, okay, let p is equal to this one. It will select. Now I given a is nothing but a document.querySelector.child1. Now child1 is this one. This thing is child1. So it is a select. So I have written document.querySelector.child1.dataset.clicked. There is a function written here. So if else. Now we can detailedly understand how this small section works. This is a very important technique. So I will show you. This is the complete JavaScript applied function. I will click on inspect. I click on inspect child. It is child1. So when I'm clicking this function, not only observe. So I have clicked this function. So I will inspect it. Here we can see that it is showing data clicked is true. It is showing us that data clicked is what? True. You can see that it is showing data clicked is true. If I again clicked this function, now you can see I'm again clicked this function and I am going to inspect it. Here we can see that it is not showing that here is a child1. Here it is not showing data set is equal to true. Now we will understand the proper logic behind here. So when we are clicking, the data set is not true. So this line checks whether the data set is true or false. This if statement checks whether the data set is true or false. So you can see that if when I was clicked, so when I was inspecting, it is showing that data clicked is true. It is showing that data clicked is true. Here if statement telling that this is a.dataset.clicked gives us what? True. So I am giving a condition that if must be not be true. So it is move on to else. Okay. Now we can observe. I am going to inspect. Now there is no data set true. So if statement is satisfied here. So when if statement is satisfied here, a is nothing but a document.querySelector.child1. So a.set attribute data clicked I given true. Here set attribute you can set style also. You can give border. You can do anything. Set attribute you can set data clicker style. Whatever you want you can do this syntax. So document.querySelector set attribute make this child1 as a true. Now here we can see the document.queryCharacter child2 insert adjacent after end p. Now we can see child2 is this one. After completing child2, insert an adjacent HTML this one. We need to insert p after child2. This line shows this. Okay, this will condition only works when data set is false. Now, if when I click it, I will show you inspect. Now we can see that data clicked is true. When I was again clicked, the function again runs. Now it will see whether the data clicked. Now data set is true. For if condition, data set must be wanted to be false. So it will move on to else condition. Now ea.remove attribute telling that document.query selector. So we are removing an attribute. Here we are set attribute and we are removing attribute. We need to what we are removing? We are removing data clicked attribute from here. When it was again coming, we are removing an data attribute. So we can properly understand. So it is when I was clicking, it is adding, again clicking, it is removing. So this is how works. Here we can see that let p is equal to document.querySelector.child4. Child4 is nothing but this one. So here document.querySelector.child1, child I'm showing which one is child1. This one is child1. So in this parent, child 4 is inserted, so I am removing this child 4. So this is the logic. So combinedly we can see now. So if I'm clicking, so first is data set is false. When I was clicking, data set becomes true. This if condition is satisfied, it is inserted. Now dataset is true. When I was again clicking, the dataset become false. Now it will be removed. This is the logic behind this HTML, CSS, JavaScript. If you like this video, please give a comment. Thank you.